Oh, it's 5:15 AM. Put radios on and I've had 2 cups of coffee, so we're buzzing. And we're back to this shit job. Fucking A3 to matrix. In order to replace that, you've got to remove all of that. Oh, it's actually pretty sickening. Now, what? They're brilliant, them lights, by the way. Now, why Audi, in their wisdom, decided to fit a full fucking piece centre console, yeah, full front to back, middle, rather than just a nice little pop-off panel here, like your Golfs do, and shit like that, and your little Seat Leon's little panel pops off there, it comes up here and round there, fucking lovely, makes job. For some reason Audi decided, fuck that, let's give the boys a real challenge. And then it's a full piece, so you've got to take the fucking lot out. It's fucking 15 million plugs, wires, 45 million screws. Yes, there's more shit in here than Pandora's box. But let's get cracked on. New matrix is installed with some new O-rings and some lube. Bit of loopy dooby. Lovely. This is probably one of the worst ones I've ever seen. Slight taste of coolant. No sweat or coolant to wake you up in the morning. No, I'm not one to moan. A lot of you know me. You know I don't moan. Like fuck, I'm an 8 grumpy old twat. And love fresh coolant. I used to like coffee. I just like coolant and oil. Made my eyes water out. Do I look pretty? Let's get it all back together. Spare nuts and bolts we've got after. It's there to me already. It's not even fucking 5:30, man. Not having it, Brian. Not having it. If you're doing this job at home, don't forget. Make sure you put this on here. If you forget that, you're not going to be able to screw your little honky tonky into the side panel. That's what I mean. While I'm here, little clip here. Put it back. Fucking pisses me off. People just don't put shit back as it's supposed to go back. I'm not having it, Brian. Glove box is back in. See, ain't she bloody marvellous? I gotta tackle that big piece of shit. Want him on though. Lovely. Lager funny. 6:30. Only an hour. A lot easier than what well, not easy I suppose. It was harder taking it apart than actually putting it back together. It's all back together. Bonnet's up. We're going to chuck some coolant in it. Because it has had EGR cooler replaced on this yesterday. Obviously we've just done heater matrix. I'm going to tip all absolutely golden. I'm going to fill it up with coolant. I'm going home for my morning coffee. And to pick Big Finn up because he'll be doing about an hour. And that's a wrap. I'll sit there.